All right, time to bite into one and show you what it looks like on the inside. Rinse and peel 3 to 4 medium potatoes, then shred them. Be careful of your fingers. Drop them into 2 to 3 cups of cold water. Give them a few squeezes, then let soak for 15 to 20 minutes to help get rid of the excess starch. Drain the shredded potatoes and dry them on a tea towel or cheesecloth. Press the extra water out. Mix an egg in a large bowl, then add the dried shredded potatoes along with 2 tablespoons of flour, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. Mix with clean hands or wear gloves. Grab a handful and shape into a patty. Set burner to medium heat. Add about 2 tablespoons of cooking oil to the pan and let it heat up. Then add the potato patties. Press down and cook 5 to 7 minutes on each side until brown and crispy. Season with salt and pepper as desired. Once cooked, set on a paper towel lined plate. Serve with ketchup or whatever you like, eggs, bacon, etc. Enjoy! Find the recipe on my website, inthekitchenwithmatt.com.